What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. We're gonna do something a little different, a little relaxing. I'm coming to you from my bedroom. Today we're just gonna do an aesthetic vanity reset, all focused on kind of resetting the top of my vanity. I am in comfy clothes and I'm ready to clean and organize. So we're just gonna kind of redo the top of my vanity. The light's gonna be kind of dim, so kind of just put me in on the background, relax, have a drink, and listen to some music, and follow along as we reset my vanity top. First, I'm going to remove everything on the top of my vanity just so we can give it a good wipe down and then get ready to set everything fresh up again. I'm going to use some of this Sand and Fog Winter White scented cleaner. It has a really good smell to it. I quite like it a lot. So let's just wipe the surface of this down. I don't do this often enough, but you know, while doing makeup and hair, it can get pretty grimy. So we got to make sure that we start with a clean surface. As you can see, really needed it. Nice, clean vanity top. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down the mirror while we're at it. This is another thing that I don't do often enough, but it definitely needs it. First, we're gonna start with my brush holder. I have a natural bamboo holder. I like mixing wood tones in with the natural look of my bedroom. Let's just wipe this baby down for the heck of it. And we're gonna set it in the side here. And then this is where all of my hair tools are gonna go. Starting with my gold comb to brush through my leave-in conditioner. I have my hand fan to dry my face after I spray makeup setting spray. I'm so bougie. Then my hand mirror, of course, that always comes in handy for everything. Then I have my gold round brush. I actually love these gold Olivia Garden brushes that I splurged on a little while ago, but let's go ahead and clean this baby out because why not? There she is, all clean. We're gonna set her back. Then I have my gold flat brush. This also needs cleaned out, no doubt. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we can put her back in her home. Next, we have my makeup brushes. I'm gonna set this down on the vanity, but really what we really need to focus on is cleaning some of the ones that haven't been cleaned in a while. So I'm just gonna remove the ones that I need to wash. So I'm gonna go take these babies to another room and get them all clean. And while they're drying, we're gonna start with my face tray. These are kind of like the products that I use daily. I like to keep them out just for ease. And I have this little ceramic cloud tray that I just absolutely love. But we're gonna wipe her down because she really needs it. All nice. This is my D'Alba Vita serum that I use in the morning after I get out of the shower. So this definitely needs to be set on the tray because I use it every morning. It's very, very nice. It's lightweight and moisturizing and brightening. So let's wipe her down and put her on the tray. Also, my Pixie setting mist. I need to keep this out because the sprayer, when laid down, kind of gets a little funky. So she lives on the top of my vanity, but she's pretty and pink, so I don't mind. Then this D'Alba White Truffle Face Spray, I actually like it a lot, but it's almost gone. So we're going to put that away and break out my new bottle of the Ritual Defeat Thorn Milk. You guys know I love this stuff. Look how beautiful. This is the small bottle this time, but I'm going to switch out the D'Alba for it on the tray. Look how beautiful. And then my Edam Gold Lip Gloss. This should live in a drawer, but I use it all the time and it's in a gold tube, so I figure let's just put her on the tray. I mean, it looks really nice and I love her. So here's our refreshed face spray-ish tray. I think it looks pretty good. Excited to use that new Thorn Milk. And let's move on. We're still doing good. We're gonna move over to the other corner of My Vanity. But first we're going to start with my phone stand. This is my bunny phone stand. It's super important because I watch all you guys on YouTube while I'm getting ready in the morning. So let's just wipe her off because, again, with all the makeup and sprays and everything gets a little gunky. She lives right here on my vanity so that I can set my phone down and watch YouTube while I'm getting ready. Alright, moving over to my favorite corner of my vanity, we are going to be going through my bedtime scents tray. First, let's take everything off because this one's really going to get a refresh and we do need to clean the tray itself. This gets a lot of use. Again, it's my favorite tray on my vanity. I love this little acrylic tray. I have tried so many other trays to display my bedtime scents, but this one always works the best. So let's just give her a rub down so that she can be nice and clean. Alright, let's start with my body lotion. This Salt and Stone is pretty much gone. I have used every single drop of it, so we are going to be replacing it with a brand new bottle of the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort lotion. This is the lotion that I pretty much put on my legs and arms after I get out of the shower, and I just thought the bottle was so pretty. Sephora sent me a pump to go with it, which is absolutely perfect for the vanity top. So let's put this baby together. Oh, she looks absolutely lovely. Alright, moving into my bedtime scents. This is Milk from Bath & Body Works. It's a body mist. I really like this for bedtime. And the bottle does match, but I bought this cute little pink bubble spray bottle, and I thought it would be really cute to decant the Bath & Body Works bottle into this, just for a little bit more of appeal on my vanity. So we are going to pour the old bottle into this new cute pink bottle. Very cute. Sprayer is nice, and look, it's gonna look amazing on my tray. Okay, my Fleur Heavy Cream Body Spray. You can tell I liked this, but I think it's a little bit too heavy to be going into kind of the warmer seasons. So we're going to put that with my other body mists. but we are going to keep the Sniff Extra Whip body spray on my bedtime scent tray. This is such a beautiful, light, sugary scent, and in bedtime, it's just perfect. It's not heavy, it's not too powerful, so it is definitely going on the tray. Also staying on the tray is my Skylar Boardwalk Delight. This is a light cotton candy, clean scent. It is perfect for bedtime also. I like to layer it with the milk sometimes to get a little bit of creaminess. I'm going to be adding 2 perfumes to the tray today. These are new to me. They're from Lake and Sky. I have the 1111 Vanilla, which is a really light and crisp, sweet scent, and the bottle is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's going with the whole aesthetic of the tray. I also just recently bought 1111 Moon because I like the vanilla so much. This is a kind of like really soft, clean scent. It's absolutely gorgeous, just like the bottle. I feel like these are perfect bedtime scents, but I also use them during the day, so I kind of wanted them out on my tray. Plus, the bottles are absolutely gorgeous, and I think with this little collection here, they fit right in. The last item to go on the tray is my lash serum. Again, this should probably live in a drawer, but I want to remember to use it, and it's in nice gold packaging, so I think it just fits anyway. And here is the completed bedtime scents tray. I know we have a little bit of lotion, a little bit of serum on here too, but I really like the way this turned out. It makes me want to use these products, so I'm pretty happy with that. The other thing I always use is a switch, and unfortunately, I have to keep it on the top of my vanity. At least I have this little wood tray that I like to put it in just to make it a little bit more aesthetic. But, you know, I live here. I use this stuff. Sometimes make sacrifices. I also have a new piece to add today. This is an amber colored jar that I purchased online. I think I'm going to store my Q-tips in here just for ease and a little bit of look. So let's go ahead and put my Q-tips in there. It has a really nice wooden lid to kind of like match with the rest of the accessories on the vanity. So yeah, I think this is going to be a good addition. And last but not least, let's go ahead and put those clean makeup brushes in. So nice to have clean makeup brushes after you actually take the time to wash them. All right, I think that's gonna do it for today. So now we have the new, not really new, but clean, refresh, restocked vanity top. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Let me know in the comments, guys, how you liked this format and if you enjoyed this kind of chill, relaxing, but still looking at products and arranging products and just, you know, also a little voyeurism into how somebody else lives. But yeah, I really enjoyed this, and I'm excited to wake up in the morning and use all of my new freshened items. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. If you could like this video, it really does help me out. Again, comment if you enjoyed this style of video. And yeah, thank you so much. I love you, and I will see you on the next one.